As you can see, we are trying to make a foundation for our motorized gate. We have actually measured the length and we have checked the railings, and I've seen that the railing is working perfectly okay. So next thing is now to make the foundation for it. Because ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ tí a bá lò níbí náà la máa mix cement mọ́, ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ ilé náà la máa mix cement mọ́ la máa fi ṣe ìyẹn. Ó fẹ́ lọ dànù. Má worry. Ìwọ náà má worry. So this is a ruler. The best type of ruler to use for a motorized gate is always an imported ruler, so that there can be an easy shear force on it. So if you have electric fence motorized gates, this is a D5 smart machine. So after today, wait for another 2 to 3 days so that the casting can be strong. Then we'll come around and fix the machine. By the time we are fixing the machine, we also make a video of it. So if you have your motorized gate job, you can call on us. Thank you very much.